My name is Abhishek. I am from Marani. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical in 2020 from Sri Balaji Chokkalingam Engineering College, Army. I was searching for a job in IT companies, but unfortunately, I was not getting success. After searching a lot, I heard about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. I found that Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultancy company. I decided to join job internship. Then after then after joining job internship, I got some real time exposure and real experience in the core technologies like CCNA, routing, switching, in cybersecurity, in Windows, and also Linux administration. Different trainers, different modelers like Roshan sir, Vibhushit sir, Tarun sir. Then I also learn Windows backup. Then I also learned mail backup. Then CCNA model. I learned many good good practicals and also theoretical concepts. Basic of networking, basic of IP addressing. Then what are the different types of cables. Then I learned how to configure static and dynamic routing configuration such as RIP and EIGRP, OSPF, and I learned about how to remote backup and learn about switching control. Switching concept VLAN, inter VLAN routing, and many more things I learned from this job internship. During this internship, I also learned different troubleshooting techniques for the different issues like black screen issues, like BSOD issues, driver issue, system hanging issue, incoming and outgoing mail send issue, then also PST backup and new PST creation. I think every practical was equivalent to IT company. I feel that 80 to 90%, or I say that 100% confident about each and every practical and theoretical concepts covered during this internship module. After every weekend, there was a mock interview or PPT presentation on the concept covered last week. I faced nearby 4 to 5 mock interviews and that helped to gain confidence. I feel confident to my show skills and knowledge in real time interviews.